What's up, my people? So today I shall be showing you how to properly backtest your strategy. So there are two types of backtesting. There's forward backtesting and there's backtesting, which you really know. So now, like this, in this first lesson, I shall be showing you how to backtest. Which backtesting really means that you go to the past data, like last year, before last year, even yesterday, and you now try your strategy on the previous data and see how it works. So I shall show you how to do it. And before like I show you how to do it, hit the subscribe button. So let's enter. So first you go to Google Chrome. If you're using anything like any website, so like for me I'm using like an Android, so you go to Google Chrome. This method really works for PC, anything. So I want you to search traders Case, traders Case, Casa. So I want you to enter and it will pop here. This is what I use and it costs $0 to enter. Let's enter it. So when you enter it, this how it will look. So now you can press any of these, get started or sign. If you have never signed in before, you sign in. I'll just go, let's get started. So it will bring for you this if you want to sign in all those stuffs, but for me I'll just go with this, which is much more easier. So just enter. Then now you choose your Gmail that you want, choose an account. Now let's enter. So I shall be showing you how to operate on this. Currently, this is my trades of this time. Currently on September, I did not backtest, but I've been backtesting on August, October, and November, which is currently when I've been backtesting. So now let's go in backtesting. We go to here. If you want to backtest, you enter. So now once you enter, you go to new session. After entering new session, now it will ask you about all of this, where you just need to fill in session's name. Let's say gold precision, because I will be gold precision strategy. I just learned this strategy and it has a good win rate. So let's now try gold. Now here I'm choosing the currency pair. I'm just choosing the currency pair. Now you can see I answered this, the starting balance, which is $1,000, the currency pair. Now I'm going to choose the date, the description, all that. So now the date, I shall be going to, let's see, I shall be going to 2024. Let's see, November, I think December. So now here you can just choose any date you want, but for me in this video I'll be choosing 17, because like it's one of my favorite number, because I'm 17 years old trying to make a multi-millionaire. So that's it. You press it and it will quickly show up here. So the description, you can just try anything. For me, I'll be writing backtesting. That's all. Then now when you are done doing all those stuffs, you now can tap here to now save the stuff. You tap it. So now it will bring for you this, where you have to just now press here now to enter the backtesting site. You now enter. So now before you guys we enter, subscribe to the YouTube channel, support me guys. This is Trader in Traders. Like just support me, hit the subscribe button. So now as we wait here, I have like a favorite quote: the only way you can lose is by giving up, but if you continue showing up like the way I do every day, you continue performing results. So that's like my favorite quote of today. So we are back into the chat. So I was saying that gold precision market goal precision. So you have to just basically go to the one edge and see all that and identify the trend. So the trend is like this, it's printing lower lows, this lower high is lower than this all you guys, you all know that break of structure, even this one, but here has not yet created. So now let's go. Now we have identified the trend, we're in a downtrend. So what we shall first do, we shall first wait a little bit. Here like the range is consolidating, but it's okay. We can now put here, we need a sell, guys, we just need a sell, so I will be doing this big zone here. What the market could have been really doing, we go to like 5 minutes. For the 5 minutes, what we shall be doing is to draw our zone for perfect entry, because for us what we know, once we're in the consolidation, once we reach to this zone we go up, once we're in this zone we go down like that. So it's what we pretty really know. We wait for any breakout, wait for a breakout like this, put your stop loss below and aim to the next resistance level, like 1 to 3 risk to 1. And if you do not know how to open a position, this is how you do it. You tap it like this, then you press this open position. This is how you do it. You open the position. Now it will tell you everything for you. Just need to come and press save. You press save. Now let's see if we get tapped into the trade. Now we are tapped into the trade and we are out real quick. So like that's like entering like aggressive method, which is risky. So there's another entry. Let's see here. Let's wait and see. Okay, we are just literally left behind. We couldn't have entered. So here is the disadvantage of this website. Always they will give you an ad which you have to wait for all these seconds. So that's the disadvantage of this. But the advantage is that it's like it's free, where you just need to go and backtest, and it helps you to sharpen your edge, like improve on your strategy. Alright, let's wait for this. So here you could have entered, but you are just like literally behind. Just enter somewhere here, into this level, 1 to 3 risk to 1, could have made it. So that's what like a fast scalp. So now remember, we need to just sell. Here it broke out, I can enter for a sale, but no, we are gonna trade against the market. Now let's wait. Let's wait a little bit. Here it did not close well. Here you are supposed to enter, but since like let's say we missed it, because not every breakout is true, because based on this, the way this one this week is, there's a chance of it becoming a fake out. It's just because I've mastered this trading strategy very well. You can see it has entered. So after it entering like this, it has come to sweep these liquidities here. So now we are probably going to look for a sell. Now let's wait. From here is where you can enter on this retest. Like this, you put it below. You can aim for this, but let's aim for, let's see, we can really shoot down, but let's aim for 1 to 5, 1 to 5, 1 to 5, 1 to 5. Now you just come and press enter. You repeat the same procedure. So now let's see if we get tapped into the trade. So now the thing just dumps like this. and we are about to hit TP. So this is just like a better place where you could have entered. It's like if you never wanted to enter there, you can just come and enter here, which is the ideal price. Enter here, then you aim like for 1 to 3. Here it could have been out already, but let's wait. If we like this, we have taken out TP. So like this, you could have been having 2 TPs on the way. So this is how to backtest, and like this how to backtest. So in the forward test is when like you're trading on a live market. Is where you like the markets are really slow, you do not know what's really happening. Like let's first go to trading view. Like now the difference between backtesting and forward testing. Backtesting, it's fast in price, where you can just take like 1,000 trades a day, but forward testing, it really takes time. So this is like how to forward test, and this strategy I'm using, like it's kind of different. One day I'll show you guys how I'm I'm like I'm trading. So here is how to like backtest. Let's trade Bitcoin. So here I was like forward testing, plus I was like trading real life. So here let me give you a quick scenario what I did. One, I knew that Bitcoin, it was like in a downtrend. You can see all of this aggressive selling. So what I knew in my brain that we have to sell, we have to say, like there was one scenario last week where we made this good big movement because of gold precision strategy. So as well as this, when I came the market, I saw an aggressive buying. I waited for the consolidation. So what I knew that for me, I want to sell. That's why I did not draw the upper zone. I drew the downer zone. So once it breaks it, I enter. So that's how it is. So this is like, if you want to forward test, it's kind of really slow. This is how you just do it. Let's mark out a chart real quick. Like which chart should I mark out? So on forward test, let's forward test a little bit. So what I'll be waiting in order to sell again, it's when, because remember there was an aggressive selling. So once this aggressive selling, we need like a consolidation to happen. So it's what's really happening now. We mark up one side. We need this zone like this. So I shall be patient for it to break. Once it breaks, I shall sell from this zone. Put it like this, like aim for 1 to 3, risk 3 1. Yeah, even like for more confluences, let it break this. Then even I can make my stop loss tighter, like this. This is how you backtest. Then now you just be watching the chart. Once it breaks, even though you can put an alarm. The easiest way to put an alarm is to hold the screen. Then you see like this white thing, like dotted line in the screen that will come. But once you check on this side, you see that arrow place which is surrounded. You quickly tap on it and you can see add alarm on Bitcoin. It's where you just have to tap. Then after some time it will just appear. It will disappear and appear like this. You have just made it. So now let's wait. This is how you forward test and back test. If this has really helped you, it's okay. Till we shall meet another day.